Did he lie or was he given special treatment? Conservative group insists government comes clean on Prince Harry, demanding to know how he got his U.S. visa despite his admitted illegal drug use. A think tank's probe into Prince Harry's immigration filings could have major implications for his future in the United States, investigators told DailyMail.com, and could soon end up in court. The Heritage Foundation, a conservative research institute focused on public policy, is currently battling with the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, to get a copy of the Duke of Sussex's visa filings under the Freedom of Information Act. A director at the think tank and their lawyer told DailyMail.com the immigration documents could expose a thorny diplomatic issue: whether Harry declared his previous illegal drug use, and whether DHS officers gave him special treatment. While applying for his residency permit, Harry had to fill out a form asking if he has ever used illegal drugs. An answer of yes often results in the application's denial, or a raft of extra hurdles that can even include drug tests and interviews before getting a special waiver to allow a visa. Harry admitted to taking cocaine, magic mushrooms and cannabis in his memoir, Spare, and in interviews. The Heritage Foundation argues that means he either lied on his form, usually a surefire way to get kicked out of the country, or DHS gave him a special waiver. In an attempt to find out, they filed a request with the government agency under the Freedom of Information Act on March 8 this year. In an exclusive interview with DailyMail.com, the foundation's attorney and former top congressional counsel Samuel Dewey revealed that DHS officials are currently scrambling to find records on the prince, who has several different official titles and legal names that he may have used on his U.S. immigration application. Dewey added that if he doesn't get a satisfactory response by April 12, they will be suing the government in a Washington, D.C. federal court. Even if he came in through a visa, it still has to be cleared by DHS, because you also have to be admissible to the country, Dewey said. Our request concerns whether or not he's admissible without a waiver, given his long history of narcotics use. Individuals in the past with that history have not been let into the country. In 2014, celebrity chef Nigella Lawson was banned from flying to the U.S. because she confessed to taking drugs.